Hello once again, programmers. It's me, 19 Cups of Java, or Dylan in my last few videos. Um, Today we're gonna get on to making the game loop and FPS counter. But first, I'm gonna show you what I've been doing, and I've also been doing a lot of college work. But mainly I've been trying to work on my asteroids game, and it looks really nice. But let's get on to programming. So let me close out all this. Alright, let's go into our breakout folder, our Java project, and I think this is where we left off. Let me see where I left off. Hold on. Come on, run. Run title screen. No, that's not it. Oh, yeah, it was. God dang it. There we go. Start. Alright, that's good. So these are what we needed. Alright. First off, we're going to have to make this into a thread. So what we need to do is implements runnable. And basically what this means is this class has a run method in it, so you can use this as a thread. So first we're going to do a while loop, and what we're going to put in here is a boolean, which is running. And if it's true, then keep going. But we're going to have to make that boolean, so private, and put volatile, because this means if we change it, it'll get the most recent boolean. So running equals false, and then basically once it starts the run method, running is going to equal true. Alright, now oh whoops, forgot to put boolean. Alright, now what we're going to need is we're going to need a few variables. We're going to need private int FPS, and put a comma to separate these. Updates. This is basically a shorter way of putting more than one of the same variable. So updates is going to equal 0, and FPS is going to equal 0. Now, how we're going to do this is how I set it up is I put well, first we're going to make a method called start, which basically means start my thread. So public void start. And we didn't even make our thread, so let's do that. Private thread. And then initialize it here. Actually, no, let's do it in the start method. So thread equals new thread, and then put this. That means we want to use the run method in this method, or this class, I mean. So then we put thread.start, and then it's going to go into this method and turn running true, and then keep going through the while loop till this is false. So then what we're going to do is go update, updates plus, and then FPS plus, and then thread.sleep, and let's put 17 as our int. Basically, every 17 milliseconds, it's going to sleep. Most people would say avoid this, and I don't know any better way of doing it, and I've tried other ways, and it just wasn't getting me anywhere. So now, once and we're going to have to do one more thing, so let's just put it here. Int timer equals 0, or system dot current time milliseconds, and oh, sorry, it has to be a long. I'm so used to using ints. Alright, now we are at, alright, we're making good time. Alright, now basically what we need to do is put an if in here. So if timer, well, system dot current time milliseconds minus timer is greater than or equal to 1,000. So this means every second execute the code in here. So every second we want to display how many updates have been on the screen and how fast our FPS is. So system.out.println, let's put updates plus the updates variable, and then plus space, add the space so it's not conjoined with the updates number, FPS, and then put plus FPS. So this is going to display the FPS and the updates. And then we got to set updates back to 0, so it'll start over again. FPS and 0. Alright, now let's run this. Save it first, run. Alright, we got our screen. It's screwing up on me. Hold on a second. Alright, sorry about that. I just realized in 5 seconds I forgot to put the new timer in here. So timer equals system dot current time milliseconds. Now it's gonna work. Alright. So we're getting about 60, but basically the only thing bad with this is it's gonna repaint 58 times to 60 times. So if you really want, higher repaint values, you're gonna have to do it a different way, but this is the way I feel that is okay and it's okay to do. So that's it for this tutorial. I just wanted to get that out of the way, and I'm gonna start doing a tutorial every Friday because college is getting harder and more assignments, and I'm still trying to make my asteroid game finished. So alright, till next time, programmers, this is 19 Cups of Java. Seeing you next time.